Extra and a state of the nation address in the Babaso. Madam says expectation no aye bebre. What I was expecting. Sir, I bang Baba can be afa. Aye koko nsemo what I expecting. Say be clear lines going forward to yen koko sector, yen currency, yen fua odim say. Next month, Ekobia and 26, 27, 28. Next week, Besimbia, Fu Ebekostro Kakra. According to signals, a Copec Epicano, it is likely, and I don't pay any Copec for to be what they are picking up. So Fu Ebesa Kostro Kakra, and Ra Metewana Musa dollar don't issue to Kakra. Makacho say you can never have a stable currency, sa wabra. As of my yeni industrialization, again, ya say be industries, ya be factories. Then ya basic things ya yet manufacture. So if that happens, there's a lot of questions to answer. There's a lot of things. No matter injection. A buying be injecting a lot of dollars into the system, no. Temporarily, no. A best was steady, no. Ne drew baby, you see the fluctuations. Bafom kakra, ne kosho, na basa. Because still, before Dija, we are import-driven country, and to nipa do na krania maba. Ya kra broni wa untireni nchansi nyina. Did that be any pack no do there pet? Sika chesi, sidi no bebre dom de akwa kope dollar. And they set demand and supply a analysis in the bem. And he said, sidi bebre chesi dollar kakrebu system ni mwa. Na trigger ne kosro. And a basic economics and a basic cry. And that is how it is. And I pay already cover da enra. The finance minister also Kasai era to force the Ekasai if Ghana as a related national reserve no kwanya ebefaso increase your reserves and all that niama bind dia gu hodma bind ba opeso ye nyina omde atoto de ebehwe a clear cut approach biem state of the nation address ayen security. It you on the recent happenings on Burkina Faso, Ghana, and other borders. No, why I ever faso as of mine, you bet me at to your dream. And also, we expect the president to touch on it. There's a lot that people are asking. So, we heard him say President Bekasa found. Now, Ochina, and a Bekoso, Chinani D no. I don't know your expectation, minimum. The only referee president, I don't know about that for tomorrow. What expectation is we'll be talking about it. I'm not paying. Now, I'm not paying, but me kakra na yenko. Faka kran to koto kob na I'm not paying your movie. Kakra refers yaka and wasem and sa ne ya we ya kojob ni say. Brofo ne di obia so watibino. A little drop of water make a mighty ocean. 1,000 journey begins with a step. So brofo a basic brofo ya ta kampa. As oka done 10:30, I and my father are one. But it goes beyond the kitwa being in the common area. There is a lot that is entailed in that. Maybe try can say. Therefore, be called Kunani be in the baho. No obusa and say munya duane mani. So, yeah, you were saying, Yakasa attack a Kwame Nkwantabisa wa hen. No, so munya aduane ba ne di. So he asked them, "Ede na mo wo?" He wanted to fill the jar of filling sa empty cans no mo no. O mo le kakra ne wo kakra bi. Sara Yesu so ba ye no. Edru ba bi no church and there was multitude of people. Nipa bebre, nipa kuokuo bebre. Betwa hia ida fe kom di won. E access you for said, "Dear na mo wo." So therefore they nya provided. It took the intervention of the little guy. No wo fish kakra any brodo kakra. And all that no shira suma ni be bebre. Edru ba bi so twore ka che say o ma talent. So mo fa nya adwuma ko ba ide bi dia ya adwuma ma fa so aba so. Ebi dia nso so mo di kosie because so mo so say master no be ba no machine. Omo ni bi no omo di so na oje kan omo di soso ne ho. Ordinarily anka mo amoni bi no ane age omo bi di ne eka mo ho. Now so we die wana woni bi no o di so na oje kan omo di do so. Abra ye boy yentimi endi ye yentimi nkoye nim wa bra ye ni bibi kituwa bi kura to stand on. Aropay mi busa yen say eden na wo. The little that you have enyaman kituwa na owo no. Sa o cherish no so ani na so moboa. Eno ana ebenyini ayekese. And I'm a kid to allow what an say, and some will and you don't cherish it, no. Sad the chrono, you cannot sustain it. Sad yan entiment now on chain and check. Hello, Adiana o wano. Say also a some bomb now cherishing na enyini ebeyekesiye. You cannot move in this life without the little things. Obia ni wo sika na se wanya ni wo beka jo se onya ni hu bim. We are all pesca kwambodi so no it's a gradual process. And a packet to one crown. A day na wo dey. The little that you have a day na wo dey. I've seen people nipa bebre ho sha asianke to ade nkofo mbu but the day it has multiplied abe bebre until you cherish the little that you have it cannot become a mighty one. Kakra na wo no kopim se be so wani no sa kakra no entimi enyini. Eras obia wo bibi kakra. Ebi die ye nyansa. Ebi die eye sika. Ebi die ye talent. Ebi die ya adoma chede. At least there is a little that everyone have. Obi die strategy. Obi die ye say me ko nipa makasa nipa ho. Obi die ye say o convince you obi obo a na no e de pa so ne dia no o hu say a gift and talent obetim dia ye bibi. Aropay the little that you have and kakra na wo no a wo de ahye bibi ase wo kwan ho no sa kakra no wadwen ho amana somobo se sa kakra na obetimi atrem amana ye kese. Enipa bebre wa 30 years ago na mini won za 30 years ago they makakra no more up to now no ahu no muti. They have not developed the little that they have. Sa 30 years ago da no bin so ho sa bio tonso sa time krenso no je a no akwaje blog aguso ko mam kakra sa obi koji obi nso no abeton koji police station or central police station eje mai blocks idi eja wawa ni tua gibi ton kakra afei no atokuma no move to 2 afei no no to sachet baako ko sachet mienu sachet miensa no ato fridge ape baabi asi no aye ne blog fe no anyo obi aka ho no so tombi sa the little one has developed to become a mighty one. Meno mobi otonso kakra sa afei duru baabi no na nso bi okroma de anim se ne dia nso na enya ne dia wa franchise unya ska kakra nti okọ mo twa such a water da omutwa nom de ono ne brand abọ ho that or distributing kakra sa from abobo ya sa to rhino ibi oton ketigiti bi afi abeto kese na afi distribute the little that you have get one hour no and a bit ma be kese but until say ebe so wedi no sa ketwa no entimi enko baabia enti obi odma or laptop pe tete dia minimum bia odi abo shabo kakra bo spinning ya and what ten table and now your professional DJ where dia kese na obo boy ya se bossa no athisha ne sound washisha sound na sound no wanya set be me so grade man for behind the little that you have Circuit one and you develop your kwakese. Be a road tech. Yes, so near him. Pay your marketing, ya feature afei. Who say, on will be a radio. And I look at it, it has grown. Ketwana ona. Why if you be back and the social media, or we back on the live from zero, more than Debiana motor, so I'm talking cassette, Monchile Quina, ya program ya agent so be antimina from Ketum, a ya wakwaji BB, or the BB na shas here, why a BB, a ya bodam self na the show trimsa. And I'll be catching a story say, Oton CD, cassette, Nenka crack or the bay producer. You don't understand the system. To argue so, where do you have your tongue cake, where the Kwajiska Kwana Kwajibi. Said that for more. On programming wagon said the letter can become a mighty. Ketwana on bet my say it would the old show him say Obi Koye BB and you go do you fear near the bar of Radiavi. What go do you fear the die? That go do fear. I don't know what you could cross so wouldn't be a source of income. A quite be a fast ye wouldn't as what you would to the otia. Wouldn't quarrel be a fast ye. And I won't fear they now go to when in Brabby. Oh, when there's anyone from now, this is what the history of the area. Wouldn't be a idea. As a wakasa, sa history now, oh, Bonunim say, ya Chadias ro come out. Now, so the end of your daddy sekuru. And how they kasasa. You could have become a historian and a fay who developed sad, ya no nim sami. Tim dia kwatina baby, call for bar, wash it says a tourist. Ona adwom be rounds because who concern cause the wealthy did to run for GD no. Ka ujira na church nkofo e na akoso mbodam na we na be historian onim scan ka bedi. Na so de ndie nsem hunu na odi die because you don't cherish the little that you have. You don't cherish the little that you have. Obi a good voice. Then you ask what the TV no odi no nkofo. Hey, odi ofesi ba beto. Hey. You are not using it for any sensible thing. Obi ni moto twipa a moto no chassis so ye bibia be kwa ka dispatch rather and so better wa my time so on fanya bibi papa bia and pay the little that you have kakra na one you wa jankopon shine on tin anim che and pray may the peace of our Lord which surpasses all understanding be with us now and forever. We say assalamu alaikum wa alaikum salam. Mr. Wak at the Mbapa.